right, and just like that, Bobby and Mike drive off into the sunset and leave me to put all my tools away. So, glad I could help out, guys. Take care.
Steve, what are you getting fired up there, buddy?
This is why I hate Dodge.
Hey, the truck is fine.
Or is it Ram? I don't ever know what to tell you, what to call you guys.
Goodyear. Take it out on Goodyear.
What do I ever call you guys? Dodge or Ram?
First of all, look at this lineup. What's one thing you notice?
That they're all not moving?
They're all what, Steve?
Not moving.
They're all Rams, buddy. What do you think that means?
That means you parked in the gay section.
The Uber gay section.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, damn, this is gay parking?
Well, we just arrived.
Flag meant?
That's what that flag means, yeah. That's not a Confederate flag, that's a rainbow flag, Mike. Yeah, and I'm gonna leave that in too.
You know what the redneck should be more inclusive? They should have a rainbow Confederate flag.
Definitely. For the LBGQ, what is it? LBGQ community. All right, well, I arrived here a little late as...
A little late, Steve!
We're only a half hour past time.
Steve, we said meet at 9, it's 11:30.
No, I thought we were departing at 9. I departed at 9.
You departed already.
10.
Our dearly departed.
But Mike has already destroyed himself. Bobby, I don't even think he has a vehicle here in sight.
Bobby, dude, it's a whole
I'm
new
Team
Bobby
Chevy,
with this,
you're killing me.
With this fucking,
Wait a second, he said it's a Ram lineup when there's a Chevy and a Ford over here. Well, Mike's out of the competition already, even though it's not a competition. There's gotta be, since you got so many of your Ram guys here, why don't you just borrow a tire?
I don't give a shit. Alright, Steve, I'll film for you, bud.
See, had Mike been more prepared like myself, he wouldn't have this problem. He'd be able to literally crawl on his roof, grab the jack, toss on a wheel, and get back out there. However, he comes unprepared 97% of the time. Even with a film crew.
What?
Even the film crew that you used to have.
With what, unprepared?
Unprepared.
Yeah, that's because Ladesh was mentally challenged.
90% of the time, you come unprepared for everything. Or overly prepared. He's either super underprepared or super overly prepared. All right, let's get aired down, and Bobby and I are going to go out here and have some fun. Bobby, you ready to have some fun?
What a moron. You see me over there, I'm perched. I'm ready to go.
Perch. Oh, that's you up there.
Yeah, dude, I'm ready to roll. I'm
gonna
go over that.
I'm going to practice my zooming right now.
Just wait. I'm going to go over that.
Up there on KP.
Am I good at zooming? Because right now we're zoomed in. Did I learn something? You guys have never seen me zoom in a video.
Just zoom out. Zoom like further away.
Be like, look guys, I learned how to zoom and keep zooming out.
The time.
There you go. There you go. There you go. Hit the brakes.
Solid. You're good.
Looking good.
Disconnected your top
No, he's gonna go for it again now. He's gonna hit it with more speed this time.
That's more speed and don't nose plant.
See, when you don't have lockers or any other equipment, you need speed.
But you have a Chevrolet V8 under the hood, right?
You're right. You just foot to the floor.
It will go anywhere.
Works every time. I actually like the fact that my truck's out of commission because now I don't have to do any of this. I can just watch. You did real good, Steve. Everyone is proud.
Door, you can make it.
Now Bobby's gonna go over it again.
Yeah, I gotta give it some speed here. Now if Bobby can quit fucking around, we could have fun. I think I gotta get like way over.
Well, he's being a big puss about it. He just won't hit it with any speed.
Speed, let's go. Speed is your best friend. Yeah. Yes. Oh! Attaboy!
That was good. That was actually epic. All right, well, as you can tell, look at the size difference of these two rigs. One of them is going to do it with ease, and the other one, well, you're about to see.
Well, have fun with it, dude.
That's not even the worst part yet.
Is that high up?
That's pretty high up.
Is my wheel off the ground?
It might be a tad off the ground.
I think my wheel's off the ground. See, the tire goes right back down.
Nice and easy, he says.
Yeah, this is a cracked frame.
This does it really?
Yeah.
It can't get any worse, right? Leaning pretty good. You just broke your right rear spring shackle smooth off. I don't know if you'll see it in the video.
How long's that been broken?
I have no idea, a while. But it's not connected.
I don't think that matters.
It's no longer connected. Yeah, you're good. Easy. Is this gas tank not even hooked up?
That's just the trailer wiring.
No, that was the gas tank flopping. Oh.
Oh, is that what's making the noise? Is the gas tank bouncing around?
Oh, it smells like fuel.
Yeah, I think he's leaking fuel, maybe.
Told you.
It smelled, because, you know, when I walked up to it in the parking lot, I was like, it smells like gas a lot.
Wow.
He'll be fine. Just let him figure it out. Don't say nothing.
What in the dick is he doing?
It actually looks good, dude. Everything, honestly, like, I know it's bouncing around, but it looks fine.
Don't tell him. Let him find out in the video.
Yeah.
Okay, when he edits, he'll find out.
What did you tell me?
Nothing.
What?
Looks great.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Right,
So
you get that big old hunk of
Let's go, boy.
Herbie down.
Got me chuffed up. Here goes Steve's meat wagon. Yeah, we're out here. We're just out in the freaking sticks off-roading. Steve said he's gonna do something really cool here, so we'll see what it is. We'll see what it is. There's stuff falling off from his truck. I just saw that. Oh my God, dude, this thing is huge. That looks sick. No, you're all right.
I don't think I'm gonna make it.
It's fine, dude. You got tons of clearance. It's getting a little closer.
It's like the Titanic on the
Oh my God, he's gonna make it.
that thing.
That dent that he had was so perfectly placed. Why is his bumper falling off? No, it's not. It's just with the body. That's how it's supposed to go. Oh my God, that was so sick.
I was wondering that with the front too. I was like, why is his bumper moving with the, and then I was like, it's mounted.
The dent that he has, the dent that Steve has on the side, like perfectly was cut out. It was like a cookie cutter fit to make it through there. Great modification on the right side because you had clearance because of that.
Hey, that actually went through really, really smooth.
You didn't do this one yet.
Yeah, I did, but I didn't.
I think is that what caused your fender to be busted before? Because I see the green paint.
What a heater.
All right.
That's good, buddy.
Oh, Bobby, see, something's drastically.
Yeah, is that fuel?
Nah, water.
I wasn't gonna tell you, but I can't let you.
All right, we'll light a match. Is it stinky? I just filled up.
I don't have a lighter.
No, it's water.
Taste it.
No, it's water because it's coming from the top. It's opposite.
Well, it should have a horrible smell if it's fuel. I just filled up.
Yeah, you have a full tank. It's barely leaking. Once it's out of the filler neck and only in the tank.
Can't wait to pull this piece of shit out of here. All right, as you can tell, the Bourbon is an absolute animal through this stuff. And huge shout out to Rough Country, as always, because it just does this stuff with ease. I should probably put a door panel on this. Actually, yeah, never mind. We got bigger problems. Sounds great. That sounds so terrible. Epic.
Dude, what the hell, dude?
Dude, that sounded terrible.
Every single one, it was
Yeah.
like some horrible.
Doesn't that seem like a bad idea? All right, he's gonna hit it with some. He's gonna hit it with some speed here. Steve, you better hit it with speed, buddy. All
I love the bourbon. This is the coolest thing he's ever had, is this bourbon for sure. Look at the articulation. He's coming down there.
Faster!
Wow. It's looking good. Oh,
I'm gonna add that sound to Bobby's clip.
Steve can't overlay audio. He doesn't know how to do that.
Sounds great. That sounds so terrible.
I love it.
I love how the bumper just
Goes back and forth. It's like a cruise ship counterweight. All right. That was pretty easy. Did good. Parking vehicle by the time we get back.
I said, I don't want Steve to come. He shows up and then punts my mirror.
Put his keys in a mud bottle so we have to climb the bucket.
Let's go. Get in your truck.
Didn't even touch anything on mine that isn't already damaged. Oh god. This is why it's fun to get with the boys.
Go stand. Tell me what the damage is again, Steve. Get back in between there.
The damage is yours, not mine. Literally doesn't look like you hit mine whatsoever.
Right, let's go. Quit goofing around. I want to get out of here.
Which way are we going?
The easy way that involves my truck getting no more damage.
No more damage?
No more. Where's it? No, not this one. Let me have one mirror. To the river.
He's got to be able to see to get out of here.
Yeah. You suck, dude.
I can't stop recording because Bobby's butt hurt at this point. You're still in reverse.
Well, he's gonna cook up something and really get you then. He's gonna cook.
But he needs me because he's on the flat.
He's gonna cook something up. He's gonna cook something up, and then you're gonna be screwed. Steve thinks he's invincible back there. You gotta cook something up for him.
What is he fucking yapping?
He's yapping. He's squawking. The cruise ship going through the river. Natural habitat here. Oh, it's beautiful. It really is a beautiful setting. Bobby's still upset. He's throwing rocks at Steve.
I should have thrown that as hard as I could through the window.
Bobby's a little butthurt now. He's a little butthurt. Oh, look at him go. Big mad. Bobby, I'm sorry, buddy. I love you. I'll come get your truck and fix whatever you want. We've come across some ball crawlers, so we've got to slow down a little bit.
There, but yes.
All right, well, the recovery rig is actually coming handy right now, and
all of your
I'll admit, when he sped off, he was angry. He wasn't going to talk to me again, but now he has
Steve
to.
had the musket tools. We're here.
Yeah, we're doing all right. 40-year-old tire, that makes up for all the wrongdoing. Thank you, Steve.
All the wrong.
How old is? I mean, it's a white wall tire.
Absolutely.
It's 50 years old.
Let's check the DOT on this.
It's 100 years old.
You know what it is? Your savior.
Dude, there's no way he's gonna make it
1990
on the highway with this.
So it is a 1990 spare tire that you're about to use.
Like really specific, like it's like 10 years.
Yeah, this is absolutely like way.
So what's that? 24, 25?
Dude, it's like it's over 30 years old.
34 years old.
You're right.
33 years old.
It'll work.
This is so
This
stupid.
tire's older than you, Steve.
That's tough.
That's
tough. At least it's not as old as Andy.
Came in handy, but it's actually organic.
Huge shout out to Rough Country. We've got air now in the tire, and Bobby's able to get home.
And this isn't even a skid. We did this for real. Oh, dude, no way.
Oh, dude, that's actually kind of sick.
That cleans it up a little.
That did clean it up.
Now I could sell it and they won't even know.
Nobody would notice.
Never noticed.
Yeah.
All right, now that the sun's starting to set, Bobby, you get home safe. All right, and just like that, Bobby and Mike drive off into the sunset and leave me to put all my tools away. So, glad I could help out, guys. Take care. everything is safe and secure. What did you say? You don't want us to pull up and you guys be doing nothing?
That's basically what.
Yeah. Well, we're coming to the rescue here, buddy. Don't worry.
Here, you get this in there?
We're coming. One way or another, we're gonna get this thing out of here. Zach looks like, why in the hell is this full-size rig coming down here?
I know.
We're coming. Yeah, we're not scared. All right, I'm gonna stop here and walk up, and then we'll assess. All right, bye. All right, these are the trips that I am thankful that I overpack, because as you can tell, we've got some stuff to do. So we're gonna see what we can do, help out where we can, and get Jerry back to safety. We're gonna try not to talk poo either, because you guys know I like to talk a little cheddar cheese sometimes. Let's do this recovery without any poo talking. All right, well, everybody's been asking where some of the children are. Mo is here today for this recovery. Mo! This is Jerry. This is his pretty badass rig. Normally it doesn't break. Normally it's pretty together, knock on wood. But today he had a little bit of a malfunction.